Discover the gateway to your new home in Newcastle. Introducing One London Road, a contemporary student accommodation in Newcastle under Lyme that offers an array of stunning studios to select from. Indulge in the luxury of your very own studio, complete with comfortable double beds featuring ample storage, a private bathroom, a spacious wardrobe, a study desk, and an integrated kitchenette. When it's time to unwind, you'll have access to fabulous communal spaces, including a well-equipped gym, an inviting communal lounge, a designated study area, and an engaging games area. Immerse yourself in the Insta-worthy rooftop terrace, perfect for relaxation and socializing. For added convenience, a laundry room and a cycle store are also available. Situated just a short 8-minute drive from Staffordshire University and within walking distance of Royal Stoke University Hospital, you can rest assured that you'll never be late for your lectures. With endless shopping, dining, and nightlife options nearby, there's always something to do at One London Road. So don't miss out on this incredible opportunity in Newcastle under Lyme. Hurry up and book your stay on amberstudent.com today.